for today's video, sobrang excited ko kasi mag-unbox ako ng simple token or simple gift for me for my birthday. Ayan, so huwag na natin patagalin. Let's do it. This is the one. Ayan. Actually, last night ito dumating. Pero since medyo wala na tayong break from our class, so I decided na ngayon ko na lang talaga siya i-unbox. So, let's go! Ang sabi nila, pagka binibigyan ka daw ng gift, sirain mo daw yung wrap. I don't know the explanation for that. Pero kasi ako, nagtatabi kasi ako ng mga pambalot kasi sobrang sentimental kong tao. Alam mo yung ganon. So, the first gift I have here, I'm so excited. The first one is... Ay! Hello Kitty! This is so nice, so cute. Ang cute! Sobrang cute. Ayan, may makakatabi na ako sa pagtulog. Makakatabi sa pagtulog, you know. Thank you so much for this. Wow, Hello Kitty. Actually, kung nakikita niyo yung print, this came from Japan. Ayan, galing pa sa Japan yan, guys. So, really appreciated this. And the next one I can see here, there is, wow. Tingnan nyo, ano to? Actually, walang English name here. Pero nakalagay, Yuki and Love. Yuki and Love. And we will try to taste this later on. Mukhang masarap. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. And the next one, I can see here there is, oh! Woo! Diba, umuulan ng chocolate ngayong birthday ko. KitKat! Yan, KitKat. At hindi ito basta-bastang KitKat, guys. Because as you can see, it came from Japan. Kasi yung friend ko na yan ay nag-vacation from Japan. So, ayun. Meron na siya. Meron na siyang pasalubong for me. And it melts my heart. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga sa iyo, ang pinakamasarap na pakiramdam sa napapasalubungan is yung naaalala ka nung nagpapasalubong sa'yo. Diba? Sasabihin niya, very simple, but for me, it's not simple. Kasi nga, galing pa to ng Japan, guys. The next one is, woo! Another KitKat. Ayan. Another KitKat from Japan. Ayan. Another KitKat from Japan. Nakikita nyo naman yung print, diba? Maraming salamat. Love and care. Ayan. So, meron pa siya dito na isa. Appreciated so much. Higit sa lahat. Dito ako sobrang natuwa talaga. I collect coins. Old coins or Philippine coins, and I already have coins from Bangkok, from Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore. And I think I have Bahrain coin as well. So, ayan o. Look at that. Look at this, guys. I'm so happy with this. Sabi niya nga sinamahan ko ng Japanese coins yun. I said, wow, how did you know? Paano mo nalaman na gustong-gusto ko ng coins at saka nagko-collect ako ng coins as well. So, naging happy siya. Sabi niya, very simple lang daw. For me, grabe, yung kaibigan mong galing ng Japan, naisip kang regaluhan ng mga bagay from Japan, that is really too much to me. I'm so happy and I feel so special. Maraming salamat for making me feel so special. Thank you so much and nothing will change sa ating friendship. Ayan, sabi mo nga, friendship lang ba? Bakit hindi i-level up? Ayan, so ganito nga siya. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Ayan. Ayan.
Wow.
Charot. And then this one. Thank you. Ayan. O, diba? Have a great day. Take care and always take care of your health. Thank you for the gift. God bless your heart.